Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you, can you see who like you on Tinder without gold? With Tinder Gold, you can see who has already swiped right on your profile, which means you can match with them instantly. This feature is called Likes You, and it's one of the main selling points of the service. You can also use the passport feature to change your location and match with people for all over the world. Apart from Tinder Gold, there is also Tinder Platinum, which is higher tier of the subscription service. It includes all the feature of Tinder Gold, plus additional perks like message translation and the ability to send priority messages. If you're looking for a way to see who like you on Tinder without paying, there is a free method you can try. Keep in mind that this method may not be as reliable as the paid option, but it's worth a shot if you're on a tight budget. Here are the steps to follow. Open the Tinder and go to Likes You tab. Look for a profile that you suspect has like you but is blurred out. Then, take a screenshot of the blurred profile and go to your phone's photo gallery and crop the screenshot to only show the blurred profile. Now, download a reverse image search app such as Reversey or Veracity. Go to Play Store and download it. Use the app to search for the crop image of the blurred profile. If the app is successful, it will show you the original image of the profile, which may no longer be blurred. It's important to note that this method may not always work, especially if the person's profile picture is not available on other websites or social media platforms. Additionally, this method requires more effort and time than the paid options, but it's a viable alternative if you're not willing to spend money on Tinder Gold. Overall, the free method to see who like you on Tinder without paying involves taking a screenshot of the blurred profile, cropping the image, using a reverse image search app to find the original picture. While it's not a guaranteed method, it's worth a try if you're looking for a free option. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.